Hi everyone, and welcome to Deck Builders Charlotte, where we talk all things outdoor living. Before you think about colors or railings, you must decide on size. Deck size determines flow, cost, and long-term enjoyment. Let's look at how to get it right. First, think about purpose. Picture your deck during everyday use. Is it 2 people reading in lounge chairs or family dinners with 10 guests? Listing intended activities instantly guides size. Add roughly 3 feet around furniture for walking space. Grills or outdoor kitchens need heat clearance, and stairways need direct paths. Second, survey the yard. Decks should stand in proportion to a home's width. Oversized decks on small yards shorten lawn space and visually dominate. Undersized ones feel unfinished. We often mark corners with rope to visualize scale before construction. Orientation matters too. Afternoon sun can cook unshaded decks. Extending coverage on the western side or including a pergola helps control exposure. When building larger surfaces, material performance becomes crucial. Composite decking materials such as TimberTech provide reliable long panels with subtle grain finishes. They hold color evenly and don't require yearly staining, ideal for big areas you don't want to sand every spring. At Tuff Deck Builders Charlotte, we measure twice and build once. We also plan seating arrangements and door transitions, ensuring chairs don't hit railings and doors swing freely. That's everyday usability built into design. If you're planning a backyard upgrade, call 980-998-0872 or visit tuffdeckbuilderscharlotte.com. We'll help you size your new deck perfectly to both space and budget. Remember, a deck isn't about square footage. It's about how comfortably people move within it.